Hello. Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mauro Bernardini. I am one of the export area managers of the Italian company Cutting Trading International. We produce cutting machines for the composite industry, and we are here, me and my colleague, to report our experience and our support to the industry of the cutting unit and to help our customer for the innovation and the technology. So our company offers innovation and high-tech solution for the sector of the cutting of the composite, and we offer some features and advantages: high-tech, speed, innovation, quality, efficiency, precision, money for value, and close to the customer. These are just few of the advantages we can offer to our customer with our service and with our staff. Our high-tech machines use the most advanced electronic and mechanical parts and offer software and hardware solutions, most of the time developed by our team in order to match all the needs of our customer. All our cutting tools are designed and produced internally, and bespoke solutions are always possible to match personal needs. Our flexibility and dynamic staff, either the commercial and the technical ones, are in direct contact with the customers and with the market to understand the different needs and to offer the best solution. So this is really how we join together with our customer in order to support with them any solution or any possible idea. Speed. The best selected electronic and mechanical components and devices allowed us to increase more and more, step by step, the cutting speed and to reach the highest performances in the market. CTI with Raptor offers one of the most advanced cutting machines. Innovation. Our team of skilled technicians is constantly looking for new technology, new devices, and new solutions able to satisfy all the new market's requirements. Thanks to them, we can provide the proper solution to almost all requests and the most different applications and directions. The most special requests are welcome as they are for us new challenges and new input to look to and to offer something new. This is very, very often happens that the customers are having special requests, special materials, special needs, special position or whatever. So really we like to sit down together with our customer to study the problem together and then to find a solution together. And then we are in position to support them with our technology and with our system. The quality. For us, the quality is not just a word, but a philosophy. The first and the main aim we want to reach and we offer. Quality in the machine we offer reaches through the use of selected high-quality parts and components. Quality of our staff during the installation and the training, most of the time, is done in the customer language. We have staff speaking English, German, French, Spanish, Polish, and so on. And the quality of the support after sales. We have 10 to 12 in the morning and then in the afternoon until 18 o'clock service to be able to support telephone, online, and so on. So our efficiency is always near the customer. Efficiency. The machine grants a great efficiency thanks to the performances, but the efficiency belongs to the offered software solution too. Automatic and manual nesting and also digitizer of patterns are among our self-developed software, easy to use and dynamic, but also the ones we develop under the customer request. The specific needs of each market has specific problems and solutions, and our flexibility is offered to tailor-made software solution. The most interesting is the next one, which still has to come. Also in this application, very, very often, customers need some special software or special use or special solution, because we know, and then everybody knows today, that everybody has some special needs. So this is why our software technicians are always available to accept the customer request and then to develop together a solution. And always we find a good way to do that. Precision is not only in terms of accuracy of the cutting, but also in terms of service. As I said before, 10 hours customer service from 8 to 11 is always available to solve any type of problem. We grant telephone and online support in real time in order to reduce the waiting time in case of problems. Most of the time, the problem is solved through TeamViewer connection. When not possible to solve something online or TeamViewer or whatever, then we have technicians available to travel. They are in 24 hours visiting the customer, they are there, so any problem is solved within 24 working hours. Money for value. One of our main principles is to offer the best price and the best quality. The machine we offer has a very high value for the money, and among the Western machines, we are one of the most competitive. This is also a challenge we try to effort every day to keep the prices stable, not to increase, to find always the best mechanical, the best technical, the best electronic solution at the most competitive price in order to be able to offer competitive prices in the market. Then close to the customer. Our philosophy is to build a very close partnership with our customers, and this is the reason why, in most of the case, we work directly and sell directly and not through dealers. Where the presence of dealers is necessary, we work anyway together with our partners, but then the installation, training, and after-sales support is done by our technician and our staff. This is why, even though our dealers are skilled and well-trained people, we always prefer that the first installation is done by our technician together with the customer and then with the dealer's technician in order to give them the very best support since the beginning. So, Cutting Trading International is a leader company in the market of the cutting machines thanks to the great effort and passion done and given by all the group, starting from the owner, Mr. Giacomazzi, and the daughter Georgia, and all the staff and employees. The presence of Cutting Trade International in the most important and competitive markets in the competitive business like Italy, France, Germany, Sweden, Spain, UK, India, and many others is just a confirmation of our professionality and reliability. This is why we are still working to build more and more, day by day, our presence in different markets. New agreements that's just signed with other company and other customers are going to permit us to open new markets and to be present more and more in the composite business. This is our reality, this is what we do, and we try to do our best and hope we are doing for the future. Thank you.
Bonjour, messieurs, dames. Donc, je voulais intégrer un peu ce que mon collègue Mauro Bernardini vient de dire. Il a un peu présenté notre société, notre réalité. Et je voulais reprendre un petit peu en français aussi comme geste de respect par rapport à la nation et la ville de Paris qui nous hospite dans cette très jolie foire. Et je veux dire que on a débuté dans un peu tous les secteurs et petit à petit, on est rentré dans le monde du composite. Il y a déjà, la première machine, c'était en 2012. En Italie, il y avait déjà des années qu'on travaillait avec ça. Mais depuis 2012, on a commencé un parcours exceptionnel avec beaucoup de satisfaction grâce à la satisfaction de nos clients et bouche à l'oreille, en parlant entre eux, a été de plus en plus facile de travailler en France comme dans tout le monde. Donc, je prends l'occasion pour vous remercier encore et pour vous souhaiter très bonne foire. Merci beaucoup.